Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this Paw Patrol 4G Kids Watch here for girls and boys. It is possible to buy this awesome kids watch in blue and in pink, as you can see. This is a funny Paw Patrol smartwatch with awesome filters. It's made with built-in camera, so you can chat, you can make video chat, you can use photos, make photos, and it is a nice and really smart and modern smartwatch itself. You can make tracking your kids with that. You have a fitness tracker, a body temperature measurement device, and so much more options in it. It is possible to use that watch here with GPS tracking. This Paw Patrol smartwatch has global positioning system tracking and a geofence system. Place security zones such as at home or at school. If the child enters or leaves the stored safety zone, we will receive a push notification on our smartphone. It makes live video calls with our child. For example, we can make a live video call with our child from anywhere and any time. It is very simple and convenient, as you can see. This watch is compact and it comes with so nice modern features. And we have an SOS button. This 4G smartwatch for children with built-in tracking device has an SOS button that could help us make an emergency call. It stores up to 3 phone numbers that can be called one after the SOS button on the watch is pushed. And camera including filter functions. Photos can be taken with fun Paw Patrol filters using the built-in cam. These filters allow toddlers to wear the hat of Chase, Marshall, Rubble, or Skye. And it's a multifunction device. The Paw Patrol Kids Watch has several very useful and creative functions, such as video call, the SOS button, chat function, a calculator, alarm clock, photo camera, video camera, body temperature, and fitness functions. We have voice and video call possibility, GPS location and safety zone setup, an SOS button, and always be in touch with our child function. We have a free 4G local find app for configuration, calls, and tracking. Photo functions with fun filters. We can shoot videos of adventures ourselves. And step counter, heart rate, blood pressure, blood oxygen, and temperature measurement functions. If we look on the smart watch itself, we have a display in front of us. The camera is on the top side. We have a touch button, so we can touch on it on the center. An SOS button is on the right upper side. We have a power and a return button. This is on the right bottom side. A SIM card tray slot is on the left side. A thermometer sensor is on the bottom and a heart rate sensor too. And charging pins. It's possible to dock this recharging cable easily by magnets on it. It's a 1.5 inches, 3.9 centimeter color touch display with 240 to 240 pixels. We have a memory of 512 megabit RAM, random access memory, and 4 GB ROM. We have 750 mAh battery. This will run up to 1.5 days or 3 days in standby. 4G and 3G support and WLAN Wi-Fi 2.4 GHz network. We have the wristband length is 22.6 centimeters. The wrist circumference is 10 up to 16 centimeters. The weight and the dimensions are 58 gram and 57 to 42 to 17.5 millimeter. And it's all in the box what you need. You have the 4G kids watch and a charging cable included. And of course, you will need a nano SIM for the GPS and shared functions too. Risk of explosion if the battery is replaced by an incorrect type. We do not remove or attempt to remove the non-user replaceable battery. If we have a problem with the battery, we have to contact the customer support. Then the SIM card specifications. We make sure that the contract prepaid card we are using supports smartwatches and that the network operator allows the connection to the mobile network. Some network operators exclude devices like smartwatches from using the mobile network by IMEI fencing, okay? So, we must remove the PIN code from the SIM card before we can use it, okay? You can see in that video, it's really easy. Go into setup in your smartphone where your Nano Smart is inserted, and then disable the PIN. Then the 4G Kids watch is compatible with Nano SIM cards of most major mobile providers in the European Union. In order of the watch to work properly, a minimum of 500 MB data allowance per month is recommended, okay? We start with inserting the SIM card. With our Nano SIM cards, gold contacts facing up, we place the card into the SIM holder tray. We make sure that the tray is facing up so that our card doesn't drop. And steadily slide the tray all the way into the slot. Job's done. Of course, we have to reboot the smartwatch before we can use the SIM card. Then we have a SOS function. We press and hold for 5 seconds to initiate the SOS function. The power and return button, we can press and hold for 4 seconds to turn it on or off. Off is only possible when the SIM card is not entered or recognized. Otherwise, the watch restarts. Short press to return. The device has a rechargeable battery. It must be fully charged before first use, okay? We charge the battery of the device every 2 up to 3 months if it is not used. We use only the TechSnacks authorized magnetic charging cable. We connect the magnetic charging cable easily on the bottom side of the watch. We charge the watch for more than 15 minutes for complete power off before use. We should use an output voltage of 5 volt and a current above 500 milliampere. And then we have to download the 4G Loca Find app. The 4G Loca, L-O-C-A-F-I-N-D app is available in the Apple and Google Play Store. We search the app by 4G Loca Find. We ensure the theme is active with sufficient voice and data allowance. If necessary, we charge the watch, of course. We open the 4G Local Find app and register if it is the first time. We go to Me, press the robot icon, and add our mobile number. Then we scan the QR code of the watch with the app. It can be found at Settings, that means we tap 3 times to open, and Tracker ID on the smartwatch. We choose our relationship with the child. The child will use the smartwatch. We provide our child's profile information as well as the phone number of the match and the watch, the mobile number of the tracker. Once is successfully connected, the watch may take a few minutes to fully synchronize with the app. The service performance may vary by the mobile network coverage. And then our kids can have fun and we can track them easily. With the 4G Kids Watch, Paw Patrol Watch. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback. I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.